Assembling your new Baileigh Industrial Water Jet couldn't be easier. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to get up and running fast. Fork locations are to be in the center of the machine, close to its center of gravity. Forks are not to be tilted backwards while under machine, as this may hit and damage internal components. Unpack the machine, tank, and console from the protective wrapping. A suitable location must be prepared with even ground. This should be placed such that a 9-meter perimeter is available all around the machine. Level the machine and make sure all feet are in suitable contact with the ground. Remove brackets and supports intended only for shipping purposes, which are restraining the bridge and garnet hopper. Remove the bridge top covers. Loosen the bridge bolts, and with assistance rotate in place. Hand tighten the bolts. These are to be fully tightened after confirming the bridge alignment at a later stage. Connect water, air, and electrical supplies. Also connect the console D-sub connector within the panel. Route appropriately. Ensure filters are installed and no leaks are present. Connect the high-pressure pipe. Tip: when joining high-pressure stainless steel connections, use suitable grease components on the threads for easier removal later on. Turn on main supply after confirming that all technical and safety criteria have been adhered to. Air pressure should not exceed 2 bars 30 psi. Fill garnet hopper by turning off air pressure valve and opening the shutoff valve. As the hopper plug releases, pull hopper out and fill with garnet. Although the machine has a mesh to avoid any unwanted particles, make sure that nothing except garnet is in the hopper tray during filling. Hopper capacity, approximately 150 kilograms. Using the console, proceed to reference all axis screen. Press reference all axis cycle start hard button. Once all referenced, proceed to the run screen. Turn on laser. Mark the location of the laser crosshair on the floor. In option screen, select displace and relative option. Type in a displacement value on the x-axis. Press the green arrow followed by the cycle start. Once the bridge moves to the new plus x-axis position, mark the laser crosshair location on the floor. Again, go to the display screen and input a VE value on the y-axis option. Mark the location of the new position. Equate the theoretical diagonal distance to check whether the x-axis are perpendicular to each other. If the measurement is greater than the theoretical diagonal distance, then the bridge end must rotate clockwise. If the measurement is less than the theoretical diagonal distance, the bridge must rotate counterclockwise. Correct the bridge accordingly and perform the procedure again to confirm that the axes are exactly perpendicular. Tip: for the 44 model, x-axis and y-axis displacement values can be 1,131.4 millimeter and 1,131.4 millimeter respectively, as the diagonal value will equate to 1,600 millimeters in a right-angle triangle. Once satisfied with the results, tighten the bridge and close off all covers. Place the tank against the machine, each side flush to the rubber buffers. This will automatically center the tank and maintain the exact distance from the machine. Connect the water overflow drain to the water tank. Place the slats in the grooves in a crescent formation. Adjust the overflow line with the top of the slats. Fill with clean water. Assemble the orifice and nozzle to the mixing chambers and this to the high pressure circuit. Connect the garnet delivery pipe from the mini hopper to the mixing head. Set laser offset. In the run screen, switch on the laser. Place a small mark on a sheet on the table. Move the nozzle on the mark and press 0 coordinates. Move the laser crosshair on the mark and take note of the x-axis and y-axis values. Press more and in the drop-down menu, select offset. Input the offset values for the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Cutting material. Having converted a drawing using CAD software, copy the G-code to the PC from the work file screen. Locate the corresponding desired 0 coordinates of the actual material being cut. When the nozzle has been moved to this position, press 0 coordinate. Approach the nozzle via the Z-axis to a height of around 5 millimeters above the workface. Press reset and catch Z position to perform a trial cut. Press trial followed by cycle start. To perform the actual cut, the trial button should be deactivated. Press pump on button till the high pressure pump operates. start cycle. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Baileigh Water Jet machine. For more information, check out Baileigh.com.